Hello everyone, welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel. After the good feedback on the sequel tutorial and also for the student feedback and student suggestion that some of the students want to learn the Python as well for the role of the data analytics and the data sciences. So basically I'm planning to provide you the real-time training video on the Python as well. So I already completed the SQL part, and also I daily basis I am uploading on the basically the interview question. So complete SQL tutorial I uploaded on the both the Hindi and English language. So if you want to learn the SQL in the English language, you can learn from the complete SQL tutorial, and if you want to learn in the Hindi language, you can learn from the Hindi SQL tutorial for the beginner. So in the same way, I'm going to start for the Python tutorials, which is the basically I will start from the very beginning level. Okay, so basically if you don't have the any knowledge of the Python, I will start from the zero, from the installation part and the overview, and then I will go the same like the SQL, go step by step from the beginner to the advanced level. So basically first I will discuss what I will cover into this program, what I will cover in this training program and the training course. So if you learn basically this training course, you are very good expert on the Python for the data analytics and the data science profile. Okay, so same like the SQL, I will provide the video tutorial on both the language, English as well as the Hindi. I will create here the one playlist, okay, for the Python, where you can find all the videos series by series. So let's discuss what I will discuss in this training program. So this course contains the complete Python training from the beginner to the advanced level for data analytics and data scientific profile. So majorly I will more focus on this profile, data analyst and data scientist. So we have the introduction first video, second one is the how you can install the Python. Okay, so then the introduction to Jupyter notebook, then keystroke in the Jupyter, arithmetic operation in the Python, variable string in the Python, mutability and immutability in the Python, what is the different type of the built-in function in the string, list, built-in method, tuples, dictionary, sets, function, and the default argument, loop, if condition, while loop, error handling, Python library package I also discuss. So like I will start from the NumPy. I will discuss the complete NumPy, how you can work with the NumPy. Then we will discuss about the Panda, basically used for the data manipulation. Okay, so this is a very powerful package on the, if you expert in the Panda, we are very good expert in the data analytics. Okay, so I will cover each and everything on the Panda, and I will also discuss each and every like how you can read the data from the Panda in the different sources like the CSV file, we have the SQL file, HTML file. We'll also discuss the data frame and error handling, how to handle the missing value. I will also discuss the outlier, how we can observe the outlier. So what will be impact on the outlier. So this will be, I will discuss in the detail of the Panda, and after the Panda I will discuss the Matplotlib. This is the basically for the exploration part, data visualization part. We have the Matplotlib. I will discuss the plotting, different type of the plotting, Matplotlib, line graph, bar graph, scatter plot, histogram, pie chart, area plot, box plot, and also I will discuss in the Seaborn. So I included couple of the topic only, but when I go to the start the providing the video, I will provide in the details. So might be we have the 6 topic, but here we might be increased. Also I will discuss the machine learning algorithm, what is the machine learning algorithm, what is the supervised learning, what is the unsupervised learning. I will also discuss in the different type of the machine learning algorithm, like we have the supervised learning, unsupervised learning. We have the reinforcement learning. Classification will discuss. I will discuss linear regression, logistic regression, FGM, k-nearest neighbor, decision tree, random forest, and also for the unsupervised learning, I will include the clustering. I will also discuss the PCA. I not included here, but I will add it. So we also discuss this on top of the k-means, and the we have the different type of the algorithm. Okay, so we'll discuss in the, I also include the NLP. So basically after the machine learning, we also include the deep learning. So basically this training video, I will provide the complete training video of the step by step. Also after the middle, after the some type of the at least I will cover the basic of the Python, and then I will start provide you the some type of the interview question related to data analytics and the data scientist. So if you really want to learn the complete Python here, so this is a very good platform where you can basically you can learn the Python in very free manner. Okay, so if you have the dedication to learn, okay, so you can learn anything from the YouTube. No need to invest the more money in the market like 50k, 100k, something like that. You can learn from this platform. And also I will upload for the practice purpose, okay, because the practice is very important in the Python or the any type of the programming language. Okay, so you can also join on my course here. So this is the basically now we have the all the courses related to the SQL, where you can practice the all the SQL interview question, complete SQL training video, complete SQL training material. We have the real-time scenario-based interview question. So you can download it, and if you have any question, if you have any doubt, you can feel free to post all the question on the video description. So I definitely I will provide the answer of each and every question, same like the SQL tutorial. So this is a very good feedback I received from the my student who learning through my YouTube channel or any other platform like the Study IT. Okay, so this is a very good platform. You can see we have the voting I started. So 95% my student want to learn the Python for the data analytics. So that is the reason I started this training program. Okay, so keep learning, and if you are new my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, and please like at least my video, and share to the any of the friend who required directly. So thank you so much for the watching this video. I will next video I will discuss how you can install the Python. So this is the very beginning of the training. Okay, so first you need to be installation part, because if you have the Python, then you can only practice the Python coding. Okay, so thank you so much for the watching. Complete this video. We'll meet and again next one. Thank you.